Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala, and tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Now we are about to move forward sa ating biyahe for tonight. #biyaheng kalma. Love minsan talaga sa tindi ng pressure sa buhay. Sobrang hindi natin maiwasang magpanik. Parang sa school lang, I'm sure everybody can relate to this story. Kapag nagbigay ng project sa school, kalimitan, pabanjing-banjing tayo kapag malayo pa yung deadline, di ba? Kung kailan bukas na ang pasahan, saka tayo natataranta. Story of my life, guys. Story of my life. Kaya kids, do not make the same mistake we did back then. Kapag mahaba pa ang deadline, simulan nyo na. Or better, tapusin nyo na. You don't want to end up rushing things and delivering subpar products because you ran out of time. Parang sa life lang, habang may oras pa, gawin mo na lahat. Iparamdam mo na sa mga taong mahal mo na mahal mo sila. You don't want to regret anything na mamimiss mo when the time comes. Wait, parang ang creepy ng linya ko. But you get my point. Basta, habang may panahon at pagkakataon, do not waste it so you can calmly enjoy your life. Yan. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating biyahe for tonight. #biyaheng kalma. Minsan talaga, love, may mga pagkakataon na anger tends to rule over us. Nadadala tayo ng galit o init ng ulo. Alam nyo, whenever this one happens to me, na sobra yung galit ko or sobra yung inis ko, this is what I normally do in real life. Kasi sa radyo, medyo bargas ako eh. All out kung all out. Kaya nga sinasabi ni Boy Pindot, di ba? Ilabas ang dragon. Pero kidding aside, in real life, I normally take a minute or two. Or kung sobrang tindi talaga ng galit ko, nagsispace out talaga ako. It's either pupunta muna ako sa kwarto or sa CR, magsasalang ng music, and I'll cry my frustrations out. Why? Kasi even if I'm right, I don't want to say things I cannot take back. Dahil I know for a fact na kaya ganun katindi yung nararamdaman kong galit or inis to someone is because I care for that person. I want what's the best for that person, kaya ako na-frustrate. I want to make things right sa taong yon, kaya ako nagagalit. So instead of giving in sa emotions ko, nagalit ako, I take my time to let it all out through tears so I can be calm and collected pag hinarap ko yung sitwasyon. Kasi love, it's all about control. We can never control what's happening around us, but we can always control how we react to it. So I say, stay calm. Okay? Sa mga love ko, speaking of stay calm, love, despite of this pandemic, just try to calm down and have faith that we can all and we will soon pull through this. But for now, please, seryosohin natin to. Please, sumunod na tayo sa utos ng barangay. And please, tiis lang muna, okay? At eto pa rin ang ating hashtag for tonight, #biyaheng kalma. Minsan sa workplace, my love, I'm sure na frustrate ka din. It's either may hindi ka nakakasundo, may hindi ka trip, ayaw mo sa ginagawa mo, and sometimes, staying calm can be difficult. So let me help you power through it, my love. 1, just think of the reason as to why you are there. Then, think of the process you went through to get there. And lastly, think of the goal you had in mind once you got there. Now tell me, is giving in to chaos worth it in exchange of all that? If the answer ay hindi, then kalma, my love. Naiintindihan ko minsan chaos can be overpowering, but just like everything else in life, that too shall pass. Hingang malalim and think happy thoughts, okay? Remember, chaos are created to challenge you to become a better version of yourself every day. Okay? Sa mga love ko, kung meron pa kayong thoughts about it, you may share it over at DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page. Meanwhile, diretso tugtugan muna tayo. You are still with me. My name is DJ Lala and you are still tuned in sa 90.7 Love Radio. Tandaan, GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.